open up your desktop browser and Google Snap Camera. You'll be taken to the Snap Camera website where you'll need to click on download, and then you'll be taken to the next page where it will show you your system requirements. These include Windows 10, 64-bit, or if you're on a Mac, you need to be on operating system 10.13 or newer. If you're happy with the license agreement, just click the tick box, then enter your email, and then say you're not a robot, and then the download for either a Mac or a PC will become available to you. Once downloaded, in your download folder, double click on the icon. It will then open the install window. Click through the series of windows and install your software.
Is this just fantasy?
So once you've got this installed and launched, what you'll see, you'll have your featured area here, and what's great about Snap Camera is it lists all the artists here. You can even search like different things. So let's just type in unknown space. And you'll see here that it's pulling up the most recent ones. And I've even starred a few. And when you star them, they'll appear here in the left-hand corner of the software. You can flip between any of them. I might change myself to a melon, why not?
Caught in a landslide.
Okay, so say if you want to record, go to the icon on the left-hand side here, and you just click on this. Now it'll give you two options. You can either take a photo, or you can take a video. So I'm going to take a video. It's already started recording here, so hello, this is my test video. You can as well, while you're still recording, also click through other filters that you may have saved. So I'm going to turn into a cloud. Should click in. Now then, if I stop that, it will then give me the option to expand, play, or download. I generally tend to download them and then watch them afterwards. So just click download. And then just place it into a folder. Just call that 6. And there we go. Okay, so that's how Snap Camera works, like quickly in the software.
No escape from reality.